So now, previous, you told me about this. I didn't know this originally when I interviewed you once before. But you're an ex-food business franchise owner for many years, weren't you?
Correct. Yes. So we've been in the food industry for about 20 years.
Yeah.
And that was one of the, being in the hospitality sector just takes a lot out of you.
Yeah. What the long hours, weekends, and
7 days a week, you're looking at 12 to 17 hours, sometimes days. No lifestyle. So that's where it started. Got married, kids started coming in, and I was missing everything.
Yeah, you weren't at home.
Wasn't home. Missing out on kids. Doing the first steps. Kids are going to school. Didn't have the opportunity to go out and drop them off and pick them up, or even just spending some few minutes with them in school. So that kind of started weighing up on my mind, and I'm like, you know what? Let's look into something different. And that's
where it came from. So